Hi, hello children, how are you? Let us revise first chapter, that is our green friends. Who are our green friends? Yes, you are right. Plants are our green friends. We see variety of plants around us. We see number of plants around us. Okay, plants are different sizes. Okay, they grow in different areas. They grow in the water. They grow on the land. Okay, plants live in everywhere like us. Okay, like animals. Okay, so listen. Some plants grow on the land, some plants grow in the water, some plants are found at hot places and some plants are found in cold places. Now types of plants. Okay, types of plants based on the depending on the size and type of stem, plants are the following types. Okay, plants are, some are trees, some are shrubs, some are herbs, some are climbers, some are creepers. Okay, so what are called trees? Every day you are watching or you are seeing so many kinds of plants while coming to school, going to home. Isn't it? Trees are very big plants, no children. So very big plants and tall plants are called trees. So what are called trees? Very big and tall plants are called trees. See children, this brown color pot is called stem, isn't it? Brown color pot is called stem. The stem of the tree is called trunk. Okay, now how are the trees, amma? Very big and tall plants are called trees. What type of stem they have? They have very thick stem, hard stem, strong stem and woody stem. Okay, so the stem of the tree is called trunk. Okay, see how does it look like? It looks like a umbrella. Okay, it bear number of branches. Branches bear leaves, flowers and fruits. Actually trees are two types, amma. Okay, some trees have number of branches, some trees have no branches, branchless trees. For example, coconut, palm, ashok tree, they do not have number of branches. See, this is the coconut. This is the coconut tree, amma. It has no branches. This is the branchless tree. It has a number of branches, but it has no branches. Okay, na? So this is the branchless tree. How is the stem of a coconut? Long stem. Yes, children, it has long and a thick stem. Okay, this is called trunk. So trees are tall and big plants. Okay, big and tall plants are called trees. They have woody stem. They have thick stem. They have thick stem and woody stem. Okay, now. So the outer layer of the tree is called trunk. What are the examples of trees? Mango, neem, sapota, apple, banyan tree, gulmohar. We observe variety of trees around us. Okay, trees live many years and banyan tree also live more than 100 years. So trees are very big and tall. They have very thick stem, hard and woody stem. Okay, and what is the next one? Shrubs. Shrubs are the bushy plants and small plants and medium sized plants, children. Okay, I will show some shrubs for you. This is the, can you tell what is the name of this plant? Pomegranate. Yes, children, what is the name of this plant? You well know, children, this is the hibiscus. What is the name of this plant? Hibiscus, mandara. You like mandara? Okay, leaf is also very useful. Flower is also very useful. Okay, we apply paste of leaf. Okay, on the head for growth of hair, children. Okay, this is the hibiscus. This is the pomegranate. Okay, shrubs are the small plants. Okay, and they have little woody stem. This is the little woody stem. They have many stems. See how is the stem, mama? Little woody. Shrubs are the medium sized plants and small plants. Okay, they too live many years, but they are smaller than the trees. What are the examples of shrub? This is the pomegranate. Okay, this is the hibiscus, and one more plant is there here. This is the henna. Okay, this is the henna, means gorinta mehandi. Okay, it is also one example of shrub, children. Okay, see how is the stem of a shrub. It has little bit woody stem. Okay, na little woody stem. It has number of stems. Okay, so shrubs are the medium sized plants, small plants and bushy plants. Okay, now sometime some plants they may produce a number of stems. Those stems also touch the ground. Okay, so shrubs also live many years, but they are smaller than the trees. What is the next one? Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. Herbs are very small plants. Okay, coriander and mint and grass and lady's finger, tomato, brinjal. All these plants are the herbs. Herbs live only 1 or 2 seasons. That's why these are called seasonal plants. So herbs are small and seasonal plants. Okay, now they have very weak stem, children. I will show one plant. See, from bottom to top, it has green stem, tender stem. Okay, now so see here, very weak, easily broken, no children. So grass and mint and coriander, these are the examples of herbs. What type of stem they have? Very soft stem. Okay, brittle stem and tender stem they have. Okay, now trees have woody stem, and rose and hibiscus and pomegranate they have. So they too have lot of stems but little woody stem. Okay, but herbs have very soft and tender stem. Okay, now and they too live 1 or 2 seasons only. 1 or 2 seasons. That's why these are called seasonal plants. Okay, now what are the examples of herbs? Grass. Okay, and mint, coriander. Okay, and lady's finger and tomato, brinjal. These are the examples of herbs. So herbs are very small plants. They have weak and tender stem. They live 1 or 2 seasons only. That's why these plants are called seasonal plants. Okay, now so see here, every day we are using herbs, mint and coriander. Okay, now for extra smell and for extra taste, we are adding the mint and coriander into the food items. Okay, every day we are using, we are eating brinjal curry. Okay, tomato curry. Okay, na so brinjal, tomato, lady's finger. Okay, all these are all the examples of herbs. Okay, na they live only 4 or 5 months. That's why these are called seasonal plants. Okay, and what is the next one? Climber. Climbers are plants, you know well, money plant and grapevine. So climbers are the plants, they have very weak stem, children. Okay, now weak stem, they cannot stand straight, they need some support to climb. See here, climber, grapevine, here 2 sticks are there here. Okay, why they are arranged supporters, amma? For supporting this plant, they are arranged sticks here. These sticks are supporters. Okay, now so climbers need support to climb or to grow up. They cannot stand upright. So climbers have weak stem. Okay, they cannot stand straight. They cannot stand upright. So for supporting, for growing this plant, they need some supporters. Sticks are called supporters. Okay, climbers, they need some support. If any tree is there near, simply they have to climb along the tree like this. See here, this is the climber. They take a tree trunk help. Okay, na for climbing. Okay, na. So climbers are the plants. They have weak stem. They cannot stand straight. they need support to grow and stand upright, children. Okay na? So therefore they are called climbers, amma. They need the support of other plants, walls or sticks to grow. Is it clear, children? Okay, climbers have weak stem. That's why they need support of walls or sticks or poles or near other tree. Isn't it? Okay, next one, creepers. Okay, creepers and climbers, they do have weak stem. Climbers and creepers have weak stem. Okay, and thin stem. Okay, so creepers are the weak plants. They have thin and weak stem. I will show one picture for you. See here more plants are there. Okay, this is the creeper, ma. This is, what is the name of this plant? Pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin, gummadikaya. Okay na. So this is the example of creeper. This is the pumpkin plant. So they have long stems. They creep along the ground. Okay na. But they have huge fruits. That's why they can't bear that weight of the fruit. That's why they creep along the ground. So what type of stem they have? So creepers are the weak plants. They have very thin and weak stem. See here, they have very thin and weak stem. That's why they creep along the ground. Okay na. So pumpkin and bottle gourd and gourd. Okay na. These are all the examples of creepers. So creepers are weak plants. They have very thin and weak stem. They creep along the ground. Okay na. So see here one more plant is there, cucumber, amma. Okay, cucumber also creep along the ground. Okay na. So how is it, amma? It has weight, no, heavy weight of the fruit. That's why they creep along the ground. So this is the example of cucumber, children. Okay. Okay now, so see here, they grow along the ground and bear large and heavy fruit, children. That's why, see. So creepers are the plants. Okay, this is the example of creeper. Creepers are the weak plants. They have very thin and weak stem. Okay na, they creep along the ground. Okay, they have heavy fruits. Okay, children, they grow along the ground and bear large and heavy fruits, children. That's why they creep along the ground. Okay, so I will show one more picture for you. And this is a bitter gourd. This is the example of bitter gourd, children. These two creeper only. But this plant produces small size of fruits. That's why human beings give some support to this plant. Okay, children, these two weak stem only. These are the weak plant. These two weak stem, thin stem. Okay na. So human beings only give some support to this plant. Okay na. So what is the example of this plant? What is the name of this plant? Bitter gourd. Okay, is it a creeper? Arshab, it is a creeper. Okay now, what are called creepers? Creepers are the weak plants. Okay, they have very thin and weak stem. They creep along the ground. Okay now, they produce a heavy weight of the plants. Okay now, so they grow along the ground and bear large and heavy fruits. Cucumber, sorakaya, bottle gourd. Okay na, and pumpkin, you know well. Ask your mother to show pumpkin and bottle gourd and cucumber. Okay na, this much of size. They may produce this much of size. So these plants give heavy weight of the fruit, amma. That's why they creep along the ground. Is it clear? Creepers are the weak plants. They have thin and weak stem. They creep along the ground. Okay na. So they may produce see here, they may produce heavy weight of the fruit. That's why they have to creep along the ground. Some creepers produce yes. See, this is the bitter gourd. This to creeper only, but human beings arrange some sticks, okay, na, for climbing, for growing, okay. So today what we discussed in the class, ma, I come again. Different types of plants. Plants are different types. Some are trees, some are shrubs, some are herbs, some are climbers, some are creepers. Big and tall plants are called trees. They have thick and woody stem. Okay, and shrubs are the medium-sized plants and small plants. They are smaller than the trees. They too have little woody stem. They too live many years. Okay now, and herbs are very small plant. Coriander, mint, these are all examples of herbs. They have soft stem, tender stem. Okay now, so herbs are the small plants, very small plants. They have very soft and tender stem. Okay now, they grow this much height only. Okay now, they live only 1 or 2 seasons. That's why these are called seasonal plants. Which plants are called seasonal plants? Herbs are the seasonal plants. What are big and tall plants are called? Big and tall plants are called trees. What are the medium sized plants? Shrubs are the medium sized plants. So climbers, which plants need some support to climb, support to grow? Climbers. Why they need some support? They have weak stem. Okay, for growing or for climbing, we are arranged some sticks. Okay na? So climbers too have weak stem and creepers too have weak stem, mama. Climbers and creepers have weak stem. Okay na? But creepers are the weak plants. They have thin and weak stems. They grow along the ground. But all these plants need sunlight for making food, amma. All these plants use sunlight for making food. All these green plants, see here, green plants use sunlight for making food. Green plants only prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. Already water is present in the soil. Air contains the carbon dioxide. Leaves are green in color because they have chlorophyll. Okay, now chlorophyll gives green color to the leaf, amma. All green plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, water, air. Okay, now without sunlight they cannot prepare their food. During the daytime, all green plants use sunlight for making food. Okay, without sunlight they cannot prepare the food. Leaves only prepare the food for entire the plant. Okay na? So plant has a number of parts, no, root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits, no. Only green leaves prepare the food for the plants. So all green plants use sunlight from the sun. Okay na? And carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil. Okay, with the help of chlorophyll, all green plants prepare their own food. That process is called photosynthesis. During the daytime only green plants prepare the food. Why? Without sunlight they cannot prepare food. During the daytime sunlight is available. Okay na? That's why all green plants use sunlight from the sun. Okay, carbon dioxide from the air. Okay, water from the soil, and they have to prepare their own food. Okay na? Plants are definitely our green friends, amma. Okay na? Pour water every day. Okay na? So listen, green plants are our best friends. Okay, that's why be like a tree. Okay na? So they are green friends. Okay, they provide food for us, they provide oxygen for us. After preparing the food, they too produce oxygen, amma. That is very useful for breathing. We are continuously breathe. What do we need for breathing, amma? Oxygen. Who produce oxygen? Only green plants produce oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. Without green plants we cannot live. That's why you to grow more plants around your house. Okay children, tomorrow I will tell you new lesson. Bye. Have a nice day.